Happy holidays, it's me, Lou Manfredini, and I'm here with
Lindsay Smithwick.
And we're doing holiday drink recipes from Whiskey Acres. They sent us a bunch of recipes, and then each week we try a new one. And this one is a classic, isn't it?
One of your favorites, Lou.
Yep.
It's the Whiskey Acres Old Fashioned.
This is how you make it. All right, this is one of my favorites, a good old-fashioned. I mean, while I'm a Manhattan guy, I do love a good old-fashioned. And the Whiskey Acres Straight Bourbon Bottled-in-Bond. It's a whole crazy thing with how they make this bottle-in-bond. It is such a delicious bourbon. Now, this starts with a little bit of simple syrup that you put at the bottom of the glass, and you just want to coat it. You don't want to overdo it, but you just put a little bit at the bottom, probably, a quarter of an inch or so, maybe an eighth of an inch. And then from there, you're going to use 2 ounces of the bottle-in-bond. Okay, so that's a 2 ounce. What's that? Well, it's a little heavy. I mean, come on. Why not? It's the holidays, exactly. So I'm going to put the 2 ounces of the bourbon in there, and then 6 dashes of the bitters. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It seems like when you do that, you spill a little bit. You always got to watch it with the bitters. Then from there, what you do is you twist in an orange. So I've got like a half an orange slice here, and I kind of twist it in so you get a little bit of the orange. What I like to do is bring it around the rim as well, and then you drop that into the bottom of the glass. Then you add ice, okay? After that, you add a bunch of ice into the glass, and then you take a spoon or whatever it might be, and you rotate and you turn. The whole idea is that I probably had a little too much ice in there. I'm gonna take a little bit of that ice out of it. Well, I mean, it's not gonna twist it out of there, but you stir it around. And then after that, what you do is you kind of garnish it with an Amarena Cherry, and I'm gonna put those in there like that. Oh my gosh. Hello, happy holidays, Whiskey Acres, and it's old-fashioned. Oh my gosh, you know what is better than the Whiskey Acres Old Fashioned?
What?
The second Whiskey Acres Old Fashioned. This is a good one.
You don't remember the third?
No. Happy holidays.
And to you.
These are delicious. Check out all the drink recipes we have on the YouTube page and enjoy from our friends at Whiskey Acres.
Bottoms up.
Yep.